To print your carton or pallet labels, firstly click on Print Labels. Then select your carton number. Select Batch Print Carton Label and then click Print. Please note that your carton label size is 100mm by 100mm. Once your shipment has arrived in the Orange Connex warehouse, you'll be able to track the status using the Inventory Status tab under Inventory. Booking your Advanced Shipping Notice, ASN. If you selected the truck option for your shipping service, you will now be prompted to add your ASN. Click the button next to your booking number to copy it down and then click on the link for your ASN URL. Click Create ASN. You should be able to see your inbound order number here. Click Next. Click Add in the top left-hand corner. Add your carton or pallet information. Click Save and back. Fill in the total volume of cubic meter space you require and total weight information of your products and click Next. Now you can select an arrival date and time. You should receive a success message with your ASN number.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.